Are you like Burger but you are boring to bun slicing for Burger? Here is our machine for you. Introducing the Innawei automatic electric hamburger cutter and slicer machine, the ultimate solution for bakeries, restaurants, fast food shops, and commercial food factories. This high-performance machine is designed to slice hamburger buns, sandwich bread, toast, hot dog buns, and small rolls quickly, evenly, and with precision. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and wasted bread. Every bun comes out perfectly sliced, ready for immediate use. With its electric operation and compact design, this machine is easy to operate and requires minimal space in your bakery or kitchen. Powered by 110 volts or 220 volts and weighing only 85 kilograms. It combines durability, efficiency, and portability. Whether you're running a small bakery or a large commercial kitchen, the Innawei hamburger slicer dramatically increases productivity, saves labor costs, and ensures your bread products always look professional. Built with premium materials and a 1-year warranty, this machine is reliable, long-lasting, and designed to meet the high demands of modern food production. Upgrade your bakery or restaurant today with the Innawei automatic electric hamburger cutter and slicer machine, because every perfect slice counts.